Here's some Phoenix myth trivia. Subscribe. In popular culture, which comic character resembles a phoenix? Is it A. Scarlet Witch, B. Firestorm, C. Hawkeye, or D. Jean Grey? The correct answer is D. Jean Grey. Which Asian culture has a bird similar to the phoenix? Is it A. Chinese, B. Japanese, C. Thai, or D. Indian? The correct answer is A. Chinese. What is a typical habitat for the mythical bird? Is it A. desert, ocean, sea, forest, or D? Urban forest is incorrect because this habitat is typically lush and moist, not arid like a desert. Ocean is incorrect as it represents a vast expanse of water, which is unsuitable for a bird traditionally associated with dry climates. Urban is not a typical habitat for mythical birds, which are more often linked to natural, untamed landscapes rather than human-made environments. The correct answer is A. desert. In which country is the phoenix often tied to the concept of rebirth? Is it A. India, B. China, C. Greece, or D. Egypt? The correct answer is D. Egypt. Which term refers to the fiery death of the phoenix? Is it A. pyre ash rebirth, C. fire dance, or D. cremation? The correct answer is A. pyre. What gemstone is often linked with protection and renewal? Is it A. ruby, B. emerald, C. sapphire, or D. diamond? The correct answer is A. ruby. Which bard mentioned a phoenix in his plays? Is it A. Ben Jonson, B. Christopher Fry, C. Marlowe, or D. Shakespeare? The correct answer is D. Shakespeare. What is a common attribute of the phoenix in heraldry? Is it A. fire resistance, B. valor, C. wisdom, or D. immortality? The correct answer is B. valor. In which card game can you find the phoenix as a character? Is it A. Yu-Gi-Oh!, B. Magic the Gathering, C. Pokemon TCG, or D. Hearthstone? The correct answer is B. Magic the Gathering. What animal is a direct representation of the phoenix in literature? Is it A. dragon, B. elephant, C. cat, or D. bird? The correct answer is D. bird. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.